last time we talked about changing an existing recipe for the sake of sustainability. Are there any other factors that influence the decision to try different ingredients?
It is an area of the brewing industry that is starting to grow and expand. There's a reason why, if you look at the continental United States, there's just this little dot in Washington where most of the hops are grown. They need a very specific climate, specific moisture content, this, that, and the other thing. But with advances in farming techniques and practices that I'm not even too aware of, they're able to, certain varieties grow in this area very well, and which is great. Instead of having to truck something from all across the country to bring it here, we're able to get some of that stuff locally. And we would not use it if it wasn't the right quality. There's still some areas in the Midwest that are trying to grow hops. They're not quite there yet. But one of the reasons we decided to do the river the way we did is because we found the ingredients that met our quality standards and that are very good. So we're anxious to use them.